Today I am reviewing the SOLPERK 20W solar panel kit. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The SOLPERK 20W solar panel kit is one of those compact solar solutions that feels simple on the surface, but extremely practical once you start using it in real-world situations. It is designed specifically for maintaining and trickle charging 12V batteries, and it does this job very effectively across a wide range of applications like cars, motorcycles, boats, RVs, lawn equipment, trailers, and even small off-grid systems. Right away, what makes this kit appealing is its versatility. The 20W monocrystalline solar panel uses high-efficiency, A+ grade solar cells, with conversion efficiency ranging between 21% and 30%, which is quite strong for a compact panel in this category. In practical use, this means it can consistently generate usable power, even in less than perfect sunlight conditions. While it is not designed to fully power large systems or heavy loads, its main strength is maintaining battery health over time. If you have a vehicle or equipment that sits in use for days or weeks, this panel helps prevent battery drain and keeps everything ready to go when you need it. The build quality is another standout feature. SOLPERK has designed this panel with durability in mind. It uses low-iron tempered glass on the front, which helps improve light transmission while also adding protection. The aluminum frame is corrosion-resistant, meaning it can withstand outdoor conditions without rusting or degrading easily. This is especially important for marine environments, RV setups, or outdoor installations where exposure to rain, dust, heat, or cold is constant. The panel is fully waterproof and weather-resistant, rated to handle strong wind, heavy snow load, and even harsher environmental conditions like storms and hail. For a small solar kit, that level of durability is impressive. One of the most important components in this system is the Smart Charge controller. This upgraded 8A controller plays a crucial role in protecting your battery while optimizing charging performance. It uses a 3-stage charging system, which helps prevent overcharging, overvoltage, and short circuits. This is extremely important because improper charging can damage batteries over time, especially in long-term maintenance setups. The controller also improves charging efficiency by around 20% to 30% compared to standard controllers, which means you're getting more usable energy from the same sunlight conditions. The indicator lights make it easy to monitor charging status at a glance, so you always know whether your battery is charging, fully charged, or in standby mode. Installation is another area where this kit performs well. It comes with a 360-degree adjustable mounting bracket, which allows you to position the panel at the best possible angle to capture sunlight throughout the day. This flexibility is very useful because solar efficiency heavily depends on positioning. Whether you're mounting it on a boat, vehicle dashboard, RV roof, fence post, or garage setup, the adjustable angle helps maximize energy output. The installation process is also straightforward. The panel comes with pre-drilled holes, screws, and plug-and-play cable connections, making it beginner-friendly even for users who have never installed a solar system before. In real-world usage, the system is designed for maintenance rather than heavy power generation. That means it works best for keeping batteries charged rather than powering devices directly. For example, if you have a car that is parked for long periods, this panel helps maintain battery charge so the vehicle starts reliably. For RV owners, it helps keep auxiliary batteries healthy when parked. For boats, it prevents battery drain during storage periods. For motorcycles or seasonal equipment, it ensures you don't come back to a dead battery after weeks or months of inactivity. The included accessories also add value to the package. You get alligator clips for quick battery connection, O-rings for secure wiring, and a full mounting kit. Everything is designed to make the setup process simple and complete right out of the box. You do not need to buy extra components just to get started, which makes it very convenient for beginners. Another important advantage of this solar kit is its long-term reliability. With proper installation and maintenance, the panel is designed to last up to 25 years. That is a significant lifespan for a relatively small solar investment. Combined with its rugged construction, it is clearly built for long-term outdoor use rather than short-term or temporary applications. Of course, it is important to understand its limitations as well. A 20W solar panel is not meant for powering high-energy devices or charging large battery banks quickly. Its role is purely maintenance and slow charging. In low sunlight conditions or heavily shaded environments, performance will naturally decrease. However, for its intended purpose, it performs very reliably and consistently. The smart controller helps ensure that even in variable conditions, your battery remains protected. This is especially useful for people who are not familiar with solar systems, because it reduces the risk of incorrect charging behavior and battery damage. The automation makes it essentially a set-it-and-forget-it solution for battery maintenance. Overall, the SOLPERK 20W12V solar panel kit is an excellent choice for anyone who wants a simple, reliable, and low-maintenance way to keep 12V batteries charged and healthy. It combines durable construction, smart charging technology, easy installation, and practical real-world usability into a compact solar solution. While it is not designed for high-power applications, it excels at what it is built for, maintaining batteries efficiently and extending their lifespan across a wide range of vehicles and outdoor equipment.